Hello my friends again. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato salad. Special type of potato salad for two people. You need about 1, 2 or perhaps 3 potatoes, and you need lemons. You need to have chicken. In case of me, I have purchased boneless, skinless breast. I need to add peas. Also carrot and cornichon or pickled cucumber. I also need to add light mayonnaise and at the end some olive oil. So these are the ingredients that I am going to use today, and stage by stage as I prepare and cook it, I'm going to post it for you. Thank you. So we are making potato salad. The first thing we do is we put these onions here in the boiling water along with the chicken breast, like this. Okay? We put the onion there and the chicken so that the onion would take the smell of chicken away, because not many people like the smell of chicken. Afterwards, what we do is we take the potatoes here and we add it in boiling water. Afterwards, we take some carrots. This depends really on our own taste, because cooking is an art, it's not a science. Science is exact, but art depends on our own taste. Some people like their food more sweet, some people like it more sour, some people like it more salty. So everything depends on each individual's taste. So I'm going to add some carrots here, also in boiling water, like this. And then I'm going to add some peas, again in boiling water. Yeah. So, having done that, we wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for the ingredients to be cooked. At this stage, our ingredients are cooked. The chicken is cooked, the carrots are cooked, the potatoes are cooked, the peas are cooked, and I have also chopped the cornichon or the cucumber pickle as two very small pieces like this, as you can see here. Yeah, very small pieces. And now what I am going to do is to unskin the potato and make these potatoes and chicken and carrot as small as possible. I will slice it and I will really make it small pieces. So I'm going to show it to you later when I finish. At this stage, as you can see, I have cut the chicken into very small pieces. It's very small pieces like this, yeah. And this is the pickled cucumber or cornichon, is very small pieces, and the carrots also in very small pieces, cooked. And this is the potato. It is almost like mashed potato. Now, what I do is I add it here like this. So this is the pickled cucumber. I add the carrots like this, and I add the peas like this, yeah, and then I add the chicken like this. Now I have to add the potato like this, almost like this. Now that we have done this, okay, we add some lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. Okay, my hands are becoming slippery. Now, the next stage is to add mayonnaise. This is a low-fat mayonnaise. I just keep adding it like this. You have to add almost half of this bottle mayonnaise. Okay, so this is the mayonnaise here. As you can see, I am emptying almost the whole bottle here. Okay. Now, the next stage is to add olive oil, extra light olive oil. You add the olive oil here like this, and you add some black pepper. Afterwards, all you have to do is scramble it. And I will show you how it would look like after I have well scrambled and mixed everything together. So I'll show you the result in about 5 minutes. Okay, now I have really mixed the ingredients. As you can see here, I'm still scrambling it and really mixing it together. For you to get an idea how the texture looks like, I'm going to fill this bowl with this salad. It's called potato salad, but actually in some countries they call it olive salad for some reason, because the thing that makes this very delicious is the olive that you add to it. I have added olive oil here, so as you can see here, this is already the texture. You can, this from this angle. And for you to get an idea how it is, you see now it is ready. And what I will do is I Drink this to your health and see how this tastes like. I don't know what to say. It's really delicious. Bon appétit!